Kalau kita bicara tentang rasa ingin
If we
tahu,
talk about
kita
curiosity,
bicara tentang
the
keinginan
will to
untuk
learn,
belajar, keinginan
the will
untuk
to ask,
bertanya. Saya
I too
itu juga
often
seringkali
say that
bilang
I'm
bahwa saya tuh
the victim
sebetulnya
of Indonesian
korban
education.
pendidikan Indonesia. Kenapa? Karena kalau kita
Because if we
bicara
talk about
pendidikan,
education,
yang sebetulnya
what
terjadi
actually happened
di banyak
in many
sekolah
school and
atau di
house
banyak rumah
is
adalah
the learning
proses belajar
that doesn't
yang
happen
sebetulnya tidak terjadi
to
pada
our
anak-anak
children.
kita. Jadi banyak
So there are
sekali
plenty of people
orang yang
that
seolah-olah
as if they are
sekolah,
in school
tetapi sebetulnya
don't
tidak
experience
mengalami
the learning
proses
process.
belajar. Ada yang punya pengalaman kayak
Anyone
saya
has the
nggak? Merasa
experience,
jadi korban,
feel like a
masuk
victim,
sekolah,
going to school,
tapi justru
but the
rasa ingin
curiosity has
tahunya
not grown,
bukannya tumbuh terus, tetapi malah
died.
mati terus. Saya itu mengalami
I have
apa
experienced
yang dialami
what
oleh
most
sebagian
Indonesian
besar anak
children
Indonesia
experience
sebetulnya.
actually.
Saya sekolah selalu sekolah
I
negeri.
went to public school
Cuma pernah 2 tahun di madrasah
in Islamic
ibtidaiyah, tapi
school
SD
for
tuh
2
negeri,
years
SMP negeri, SMA negeri, kuliah negeri, nggak pernah
and
sekalipun
never
kuliah
studied
ke luar
abroad.
negeri. Dan pertanyaan saya
And my
dari
question
dulu
is,
adalah, kenapa
why
ya
are
justru
my
teman-temanku yang menurut aku
why
pintar
consider
itu
smart
nggak sukses di
didn't
sekolah.
success in
Sementara
school?
saya tuh
Meanwhile, for me,
contoh
I am the
pendidikan
example
yang
of
sukses
success
dalam
in
arti
education in
konvensional.
term of
Nilai ujiannya
conventional,
tinggi,
good
diterima
grades,
perguruan tinggi
admitted
negeri
to
tanpa
public
tes
university
dan
without
sebagainya.
test,
Tapi saya
but
tuh
I
nggak
was
pernah
never
bahagia di
happy
sekolah.
at
Karena
school.
banyak sekali pertanyaan,
Since
banyak
there
sekali
has been
proses
question,
belajar
learning
yang
process
sebetulnya
that
terjadinya
happen
justru
exactly outside
di luar kelas.
the classroom.
Jadi waktu pertama
So
kali
when
mendirikan
first time
Cikal,
I
tujuan
established Cikal,
utamanya sebetulnya
was
adalah menciptakan
to create
komunitas
a community
yang terus
that keep on
belajar
learning
sepanjang
throughout
hayat.
life.
Siapa yang terus
Who
belajar?
has to keep
Bukan
on
cuma
learning,
muridnya,
not just the
tetapi
students,
gurunya
but also
dan
the
orang
teachers
tuanya
and
juga perlu
parents
terus
as well.
belajar. Kenapa? Karena
Why?
kenyataannya yang
Because
namanya
the fact is,
pendidikan itu
education
makin
turns
lama makin
irrelevant
tidak
as the time
relevan.
pass.
Teman-teman kalau masuk ke kelas
If you walk into a
atau
class
masuk ke
or
ruang
going to a
kuliah
college
atau ke
or join to
training-training
corporate
perusahaan,
training,
itu yang
what
terjadi
happen is
adalah
most
sebagian
of
besar
you
tuh kayak
are
aduh
bored.
benar-benar super kebosenan, tidak terlibat
You don't
dalam prosesnya
participate in
sama
the
sekali,
process at
nggak
all,
sabar kepingin
anxious
selesai.
for to
Dan
be
itu
over, and that's a
masalah.
problem.
Kenapa? Karena
Why?
di saat
Because
dunia
when the
berubah,
world change,
di saat yang
when what is
dibutuhkan
required
sebetulnya
is
adalah
lifetime
keterampilan
learning,
untuk belajar sepanjang hayat, yang kita
what we
lakukan
do is
justru mematikan
killing the
kegemaran itu
excitement every
setiap
day.
hari. Bandingkan
Compare
anak
a
umur 2
2 years old
tahun,
kid,
anak yang
the
sama
same
nih ya.
kid,
Anak umur 2 tahun ada yang punya, tadi yang udah
anyone
punya
who
anak,
has
ada yang
kid
punya
here
anak
now
umur 2
has a
tahun, 3 tahun.
2-year-old.
Tanya mulu kan?
They ask question all the
Selalu
time.
banyak bertanya.
Always ask question.
Selalu kepingin tahu.
Always curious.
Anak yang sama,
The same
yang
kid
matanya tuh
with bright
bercahaya
eyes, with
dengan
various
segala
skills
macam
to
kemampuannya
observe
untuk
the world,
mengobservasi dunia, terkagum-kagum
blown away
pada
with
apa yang
his
ada di
surrounding,
sekelilingnya, masuk sekolah
enroll to
2
school
tahun aja,
just in 2
di
years.
umur 5 tahun gitu,
When he's
itu tuh
5,
bisa jadi
he
anak
could be
yang sangat
discouraged.
sayu. Nggak ada tuh yang berani
No one
nanya
dare to
di
ask
depan
question in the
kelas.
class.
Sementara teman-teman
While
bayangkan, saya
imagine
tuh
this,
suka
my
bilang,
friend, I often
anak
say,
Indonesia
Indonesian kids
harusnya itu
supposed
mencapai
to reach to
cita-cita
the
yang
sky.
setinggi langit. Tapi kalau ngangkat
But to raise his
tangan aja
hand,
di
he
kelas
doesn't
setinggi
dare.
telinganya nggak berani,
What he will
jadi
become.
apa? Jadi orang-orang yang
Become
kemudian
people that
punya
only have
cita-cita
simple
terlalu
goals.
sederhana, jadi manusia-manusia
Become
yang
people who are
terbiasa
accustomed
hanya
to only
mendengarkan,
listening,
nggak punya
have no
suara.
voice,
Dan itu
and
yang
that's what
terjadi
happen every
setiap
day.
hari di ruang kelas dan
classroom,
ruang keluarga kita.
in our
Dan
family.
itu
And that is why
kenapa saya
I have
yang
a little
punya sedikit
experience.
pengalaman, saya
I've
baru
joined
20
for
tahun
2 years
teman-teman
in
ngerjain
education.
pendidikan. Dan kalau kita bilang
And
pendidikan
if we
20
talk
tahun
about
itu memang
education,
betul-betul baru.
2 years is still
Kenapa?
new.
Karena
Why?
perubahan pendidikan
Because the change
beda
of
sama kalau
education is
teman-teman kerja
different
di bidang teknologi
with
gitu
if
ya.
you work in
Ada yang punya
technology.
ide gitu, misalnya di
One has
Bukalapak,
an idea at
Zaki atau
Bukalapak,
Dika punya
Zaki
ide
or
di
Dika
Bukalapak.
has an idea,
Itu mungkin 6 bulan atau
maybe
1 tahun
6
paling
or
lama udah jadi
year,
sesuatu. Kalau di
will
pendidikan tuh
become
perubahan
something.
bisa 50
In
sampai 100
education, a change
tahun.
could take
Jadi kalau teman-teman masuk
50
kelas
and
sekarang,
10 years.
itu teman-teman
And if
akan
you go
lihat
to
kelas
school
yang
now,
persis sama
you will see the same
dengan
class.
apa yang kita lalui sekian belas tahun yang lalu waktu kita sekolah. Bahkan sama dengan apa yang
Even the
dilalui
same
oleh orang
with
tua
what our
kita atau
parents and
kakek nenek kita.
grandparents went
Sementara
through.
dunianya berubah
Meanwhile,
nggak?
has the world
Berubah
changed?
total.
It has
Karena
changed
itu
totally.
pendidikan udah
That
jadi
why
jembatan
education not
perubahan.
become the bridge of change.
Jadi jembatan kertas. Karena sukses di sekolah bukan berarti sukses di kehidupan. Mendidik
educate
anak di
children,
Cikal tuh kita dari 6
we start
bulan
at 6
sampai di
months.
kampus Guru
After
Cikal.
Cikal
Cikal
to
sekarang
Cikal
ada
campus,
10 lokasi.
Cikal has
Kampus
10
Guru
location,
Cikal,
Cikal
komunitas
Teacher
guru belajar
Campus,
kita
Learning
beroperasi
Teacher Community
di
is at
158 kota di seluruh
158
Indonesia.
cities
Itu
across
berarti
Indonesia.
saya
That
tuh
means
belajar
learn
bersama
together
anak-anak
alongside
dari umur 6
6
bulan
months
sampai
up to
guru-guru yang udah hampir
55
pensiun umur
years
55
old
tahun.
teachers.
Tetapi yang saya
However,
dapatkan,
what I
mau
learned,
ngomong anak 6
be it
bulan,
with
mau
6
ngomong
months
orang tua
or
umur 55
55
tahun,
years old senior,
sebetulnya yang namanya
actually,
keterampilan
what
yang
is called
esensial
as essential
itu
skill
apa yang kita bilang kemerdekaan
is the
belajar.
liberty to
Orang-orang
learn.
yang akan
People who
sukses
will be
di era
success in
sekarang,
this era,
apapun profesinya,
whatever the
adalah
profession,
orang-orang
are the
yang
people
merdeka
who has
belajar.
the
Apa sih
liberty learn.
orang yang
What
merdeka
are
belajar?
the people with
Yang
liberty to
pertama,
learn?
punya
First,
komitmen
owning
sama
commitment
tujuannya.
and goal.
Dan ini hal yang
It
kayaknya
seems
sederhana
like a
ya.
simple
Kita
thing.
setiap hari keluar dari rumah
Every
punya
day,
tujuan dong.
going
Mau
out to
kemana?
the house,
Mau ke kantor, mau
go
ke
to the
dokter, mau ke
office.
pasar. Tetapi kalau
However,
teman-teman
if you wanted
keliling
to roam
ke
to a
ruangan-ruangan yang namanya ruang kelas dan tanya sama murid-muridnya,
ask the students,
ngapain kamu belajar
why you
ini?
learn this
Hampir
subject?
nggak ada yang bisa
Almost
jawab.
none could answer.
Jawabnya paling ya karena di
They would
buku
only
ditulisnya
answer that the book
harus
says
belajar
they
itu.
must
Nggak
do
ada
that.
kaitannya dengan
No correlation
keingintahuan,
with
nggak ada
curiosity,
kaitannya dengan
no
kehidupan.
correlation with
Tanya
life.
guru atau dosen
Ask
pun
teacher
di
or
kampus,
professor
kenapa sih
why they
harus
must
ngajarin materi
teach
ini?
this subject.
Itu jawabannya nggak
The
tahu,
answer
karena
is
kata
they don't know.
kurikulumnya
Since the
harusnya
curriculum
ngajarin
say
itu.
must
Saya
teach
sampai
that.
sekarang punya
I asked
banyak
the
sekali
students
pertanyaan
the
tentang
final
materi-materi
question
zaman kita
about the
sekolah
subject
dulu
in
gitu
school
ya, yang kayak
then
ini
like,
ngapain ya aku
why
harus
would
ngafalin
I had
semua
to
rumus
memorize all
ini?
these methods?
Ngapain ya
Why
saya
I had
harus
to learn this
belajar
subject?
materi ini? Belum tentu
It
karena
doesn't mean the
materinya
subject
salah, tetapi karena
was
memang
wrong,
koneksi
but
antara
the
apa yang
connection
dipelajari
of what
dengan
we learn
tujuan
and the
kita
goal
tuh nggak pernah
is
ada.
never exists.
Sehingga kebanyakan dari
So
kita
most of us
belajar bukan untuk mastery,
study not
kebanyakan
for
dari kita
mastery,
belajar
but
untuk
for
nilai
grade.
atau untuk gelar
Or for
atau
title,
untuk ijazah
or for
atau
graduation
untuk supaya lebih
diploma,
keren daripada
or
orang
to look
lain,
cooler
ya
than
kan?
others.
Ini sertifikat saya. Sehingga yang kita paling sering
This
dengar,
often
kamu nilainya
heard,
berapa?
what is your
Nilaiku
score?
7, tapi yang
My
lain
score is 7,
4,
but other
aku udah
only
lumayan.
got 4
Nggak ada tuh
point.
keinginan
There is no
untuk
one to fully
dapat
comprehend
pemahaman yang utuh. Karena
since
standarnya
the
cuma
standard
nilai.
is only
Orang yang
score.
merdeka belajar
A man with
adalah
liberty
orang
to
yang
learn is
mandiri.
one who
Nggak
moves
pernah tuh
independent.
nyalahin orang
He
lain.
never blame others.
Selalu yakin
He
bahwa dia
always believes
punya
that
kendali
he has
terhadap
control
apapun yang terjadi
over
dalam hidupnya.
whatever
Kalau
happens
nilainya
in life.
bagus,
If the
kalau
score
dia
is
berhasil
good,
menguasai
he
sesuatu,
masters something,
itu karena saya bekerja dengan
it's
sungguh-sungguh.
because he
Kalau
studied
saya
well.
berhasil menyelesaikan persoalan
If
di
I
kantor,
manage to deal with
itu
the
karena
problem,
saya tahu masalahnya
because I
apa,
know what the
saya
problem,
melakukan
I
riset,
do
saya
research,
berkolaborasi
I
dengan yang lain.
collaborate with others.
Kalau saya gagal,
If
karena
I
saya
fall,
juga, bukan karena aduh teman kantorku tuh nyebelin
My
banget
obvious
deh.
mate, it's so
Guruku tuh
annoying.
ya soalnya
My
yang
teacher,
keluar
the
tuh bukan
question
sesuatu
of
yang
the
diajarin
test
sebelumnya,
subject he taught
tapi
before.
menumbuhkan orang-orang
However,
mandiri ternyata sulit sekali. Kenapa? Karena anak kecil pun kalau jatuh yang disalahin apa? Mejanya. Mejanya yang dipukul.
The table will
Ya
be
kan?
hit.
Gimana sih mejanya kok ada di situ?
Why the table
Dari
is here?
kecil
Ever
kita
since
diajarkan
we're a kid,
untuk nggak bertanggung
we're taught to
jawab
be
terhadap
accountable
perilaku kita
for
sendiri.
our own
Sehingga
behavior.
jadi mudah sekali
So it
kemudian
becomes
dalam
easier
proses
than in learning
belajar,
process,
belajar dari
than
bangku sekolah
school,
sampai belajar di tempat kerja,
learn in
kita
workplace.
kemudian nggak merasa punya
We feel
kendali
we
terhadap
don't have
prosesnya.
control over
Salahnya
the
nasib,
process.
salahnya orang
It's the
lain,
siniff fault,
salahnya sesuatu
one
yang
else fault.
eksternal
The
di
fault
luar
is
kita.
external thing
Yang
outside
terakhir,
of us.
orang yang merdeka
The last one,
belajar
a person with liberty
selalu
to learn
orang yang
is
refleksif.
always
Dan ini
a
kelihatannya
reflective
sederhana,
person.
bisa
It's so
bercermin,
simple.
melihat sebetulnya apa sih kelebihan saya,
What is
apa sih
actually,
tantangan
what
saya.
is my challenge?
Tetapi untuk
But to
bercermin
reflect,
kita perlu apa
what
sih?
do we
Perlu
need?
berani.
We need bravery.
Ya kan?
Right?
Banyak sekali di antara kita
There are many
yang nggak berani
among us who don't
berefleksi.
dare to reflect
Karena sebetulnya kita tahu
because
pada
we
saat
know
kita
when
melihat
we do,
cermin itu yang
what
kita
we
lihat
see
buruk
is the
rupanya.
ugly side.
Sehingga jarang
So
sekali
it rare for
saya
me
bertemu
to
orang
meet
yang
a
kemudian
person
melihat kritik
that think a critic
sebagai bantuan,
as a
sebagai
help,
dukungan.
a support,
Apalagi dengan
moreover,
sengaja memang keliling dan mencari umpan balik
intentionally
terhadap
wanted to
apa
find
yang dia
feedback on
lakukan.
what he's
Padahal
done.
untuk dapat cerminan yang
Whereas to
utuh,
get a
kita
full
tuh
reflection,
perlu
we need
kolaborasi
to
dengan orang lain.
collaborate with others.
Dengan kata lain,
jarang sekali
So,
saya bertemu
it's
orang
rare
yang
for me
kemudian
to meet
melihat
a person that thinks
sebagai
of
bantuan,
critic as a
sebagai
whole,
dukungan,
a support.
apalagi dengan
Moreover,
sengaja memang keliling dan
intentionally
mencari
wonder
umpan
to
balik
find
terhadap apa
feedback
yang dia lakukan.
on what he said.
Padahal untuk dapat
Whereas to
cerminan
get a
yang
whole
utuh, kita
reflection,
tuh
we need
perlu
to
kolaborasi dengan
collaborate
orang
with
lain.
others.
Dengan kata lain,
In other words,
kita perlu tahu
we need to
sebetulnya
know how
menurut penilaian
it
kita
based on
sendiri
our
gimana,
judgment the reflection of others on us, and it's him eventually having commitment and goal, independent, having the ability to reflect, but is able to learn with liberty. And that's become requirement for many things. I actually have a lot of story about various initiatives and education organizations that I have started since 20 years ago. You can see it here from the name. It's obvious that one thing I have done in Indonesian education is to work with as many people in charge as possible. In our family, we work with the parents. Parents have the same issue, learning, doing the practice of taking care that is the same as what their parents had done tens of years ago. So what we do with the family is, come, parents must learn again. We might inherit something no longer irrelevant and still pass it on to our children when the time has changed. That's also done in Cikal Teacher Campus, inviting teachers to learn. On your manual, it's inviting high school and university students to learn about themselves, starting to design their life and their future career plan. Clever teaches how to ask questions, Anybody teaches how an in-class learning process that contextual. Islam Edu talks about religion subject with a different way than that what we have done before. Then there's Study Center of Education and Policy. I work with the government offer, and the government need to learn much to make policy based on fact, not just opinion, as we say it at PSPK, based on research, not based on summary meeting. Then Cinedu is a collaboration with fellow filmmakers like Netflix, but free. The content is no longer art silver screen movie, donate for free for Indonesian education. Then what we do is making modulars, thus it's easy for teacher and student to use in the classroom. If there is one thing I believe in, is we all are students and teachers. Talking from an education perspective, all students, all teachers is actually a cry for help. As I said before, I'm a victim of Indonesian education, but I'm a victim that choose to have power, not become having a trust or blaming each other among people in charge. Indonesian kids, do you know how many of them? You don't? It's 83 millions. 83 millions of Indonesian kids that are currently experiencing a liberal educational process. We all can take part and must take part in it. Why? Because I have struggled if you hear people talk about Indonesian in 2045. Indonesian in 30 years to come is here. It is unlikely to be magically appear at the next 30 years. Indonesian 30 years to come has happened every day, in classroom and our living room today. Hopefully we all can take part in education. Thank you.